Imagine building a professional website, start to finish, fully automated with AI. With the AI website builder, it's all possible. In just minutes, your site is live, fully designed, and packed with the right content thanks to the power of AI. Have a specific vision for your site? Just chat with our AI web designer chatbot. It understands your needs and crafts the perfect website tailored to your business. No technical skills needed, just talk, and the AI does the rest. Need images? The AI image creator generates flawless visuals to match your content. Whether it's a sleek corporate look or vibrant creative designs, the perfect images are just a click away. Struggling with words? No problem. The AI content writer automatically generates engaging professional content to fill your pages. Every word perfectly aligns with your message. Want to tweak something? Our drag and drop editor makes editing your site effortless. Move elements, adjust content, and create something uniquely yours. Not sure where to start? Choose from a variety of professional templates to find the perfect style for your site. Manage multiple projects seamlessly with organized workspaces. Keep your websites and projects in perfect order. Need full control? Download the HTML of your site, giving you the freedom to host it wherever you like. Choose from ready-to-use design blocks in different categories. With pre-designed professional content blocks, creating the perfect website is fast and easy. Reach global audiences with multilingual websites. Build sites in over 40 languages with ease. With premium fonts, Autoresponder integration, Webhooks, and detailed analytics, the possibilities are endless. Everything you need to create, design, and optimize your website is here. Start building your dream website today with the AI Website Builder, the future of website creation, now at your fingertips. Get started today.